Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Roxanne and today we are going to be unboxing Topbox as well as my pop-up package from BoxyCharm. Alright, so I'm going to start with this one. As you guys probably already know if you're watching this, Topbox is a Canadian subscription box. It does do a lot of skincare, some little makeup here and there, and this box is such a hit and a miss. It's not even funny anymore. Like, okay, maybe it is funny. Anyway, it is, what, $15 a month? 15, 16, I don't even remember. Anyway, if you use my referral link below, all I do is get a $5 coupon for their one-off boxes, which they really haven't had much of this year. They used to do monthly, like, huge boxes of samples that people would buy and then they would, like, you know, kind of donate or something. Anyway, okay, so they did have a $10 add-on. I got in on the first go, so let's see what I got. Okay guys, ready? Is it good? Is it bad? You tell me. Okay. That is my beauty surprise. I've already gotten this. They have this in their system. Okay. So I got the Alterna moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. I actually really love this brand, so I'm happy that I got this. Let's see here. I got Masquerade Matcha Detoxifying Clay Mask. Your perfect matcha. Use 3 to 2 times a week. Normal to dry, oily skin. So they sent another one in last month. The Pineapple Brightening. I really liked it. So I mean, I'll give this a try. Nail polish, which I haven't done my nails lately. Actually, I lost all my nails because just nervous stress and everything else. So I need to start doing them again. Start taking care of them. This is a really, really pretty color. I do like this brand. It's not as hardy as some other brands, but this color here is nice. It is a gorgeous blue or green, so not too bad. The last item I did get is the Estate Cosmetics Do With Me Baked Highlighter. I will probably throw this in one of my giveaways as well as this. Now, I said I already have this, and I am disappointed that I got it, but to be fair, I actually really like this. But it's going to take me forever just to go through this, so I don't really need this. So, okay. This is actually made in Taiwan. Okay, anyway, so I will pass this on to somebody else. This is a complete waste of my money, as knowing that they should already know that I already got it. I got it probably with Luxebox, but it shouldn't matter. They say they're not the same company, but no. They're sister companies. So, anyway, I like my box. I wish I didn't grab the $10 mystery add-on because I can't believe it. I am so mad with it now at them. Okay, guys. So, okay, so let's see. I got Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculptor Concealer Highlight Retouch. So I got it in shortbread, and I'm hoping that it is light enough for me, but we will see. It's too yellow, I think, so I may have to just part with it. So there it is there. I will probably give it a try. See if I can't make it blend in a bit. I had no concealer on this morning, so I think this might be just too yellow for me, so I just more or less wanted to try to see what it looked like, to see if I liked it. I did get the color in Shortbread. It just looks a little too yellow. Might actually have to try with more than just a face tint on. I went to work today, so I just put on a face tint. Although this actually looks like it could be like foundation. Okay, so I want to show you guys something really funny before I end this video. I think it's hilarious. So I got this in this, okay, right? In a box. Yet they sent this in this. I got these for Lisa, so they're going to Lisa. But seriously, you send a jar in a barely bubbled bag, but you send freaking brushes in a box? Okay. I'm not going to make this video any longer because there's no need for it. I'm going to email Topbox and let them know exactly where I think of their Pure Cosmetics Refined and Perfect Loose Finishing Powder, and I will let you guys know in my next video what they say. I'll give this a try out this weekend, otherwise I will just put it up for sale. I hope everyone has a great day, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and make sure you're subscribed.